tomorrow it's going to be 4,400th day, and we are 145th month, and we are very happy that our Honorable Prime Minister, the longest serving Prime Minister, and including his Chief Ministership, longest serving leader in the world in the office, either as Chief Minister and the Prime Minister. We are very happy, we are all living in this era. So we are seeing this achievement, and our Honorable Prime Minister rose from the Karyakarta level. He has risen to that level. So it is a motivation for each and every Karyakarta, because it is not like Congress, a dynasty. A person from a single family only can occupy such chair. But in Bharatiya Janata Party, Karyakarta has been risen to this level, is occupying the chair. So it is a motivation for each and every Karyakarta. And I salute for our Honorable Prime Minister, because he has given schemes for 11 lakh crores to Tamil Nadu. And Tamil Nadu, more than 2 crore Jandan Yojana has been registered, and our Ujwala scheme, 10 lakh women has been the beneficiary, and 70 plus this Ayushman. I really salute our Honorable Prime Minister. As a doctor, I have seen, because there is no any income ceiling for that. Even the rich people, sister, brothers and daughters and son, hesitant to pay the hospital bills for their parents. Our Honorable Prime Minister is acting as a son of each and every person, and this Ayushman Bharat and Jan Aushadhi shops. This Jan Aushadhi shops, because as a doctor we know what is the cost of the medicines and generic medicines. He has encouraged it. Apart from that, the largest number of Vande Bharat to Tamil Nadu, and all the airports, particularly Chennai Airport, Madurai Airport, Trichy Airport, Thoothukudi Airport. I am very happy that Thoothukudi in the night landing is there, because we are all from the southern part of Tamil Nadu. We did not have any night landing. And Vande Bharat train, southern connection to Vande Bharat train to Nagarkoil and to Tirunelveli, Madurai, and large number of Vande Bharat trains to Tamil Nadu, and 11 medical colleges to Tamil Nadu. So we are very happy, and all the ports has been developed because of that infrastructure. The economy in Tamil Nadu is also moving forward, and with all these schemes to Tamil Nadu, we salute. And apart from that, yesterday this our Swami Malai temple has been honored with a stamp, and our Sengol has been installed in the parliament. So Tamil Nadu people really salute our Honorable Prime Minister, and we celebrate this 12th year and moving to 13th year, and the 4,400th day, we are really celebrating it.
CM Vijay